Hi, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you to this edition of All Things Lean. My name is Madhulika Rajahan, mother, author, green energy enthusiast, and a certified Lean Six Sigma black belt expert. In today's episode, we will talk about mobile user experience design and how can we design for the mobile user base. Mobile UX designs are interface for handheld and wearable design. Designers focus on accessibility and efficiency to optimize these on the go interactions. Mobile designs have different limitations and requirements than a computer interface. Many companies have mobile and computer based designs for identical products. Designers learn to distill essential elements for smaller screens to optimize their designs for users on the move. So, how do we really go about catering to the user on the go? The importance of mobile user experience design grew dramatically in the year 2014 when mobile users suddenly became an online majority. Designers quickly learned that they couldn't simply miniaturize a desktop interface. They needed to reevaluate the needs and limitations of the growing audience of mobile user. Since then, mobile design has evolved to find the best use of the smaller screen. Experiences are now tailored especially for mobile environments. Attention spans are shorter in mobile users. Users want faster results with minimal effort and zero friction. They're often distracted. Signals and power loss are frequent worries. These users often walk and use devices at the same time. So typically, mobile users find themselves in one of these three scenarios: microtasking, that is, they're using the devices in short, intense spurts, example, to buy tickets. Local, they're using devices to see what's happening around them. Or bored, when they surf news feeds, links while waiting. So, here we present some of the tips for mobile UX. Some practical guidelines when designing for mobile interface. First and most importantly, minimize the content. Smaller screen means essential elements need to be legible on a smaller resolution. You must make a clean, legible layout to cater to mobile users. Designed for minimal page loading time, less than 3 seconds is the ideal limit. Make an effort to reduce cognitive load of your user. 94% of mobile users use portrait mode. Every pixel width is valuable. Keep images small and to a minimum. Keep a clear visual hierarchy. Use color schemes and contrast to maximize visibility. Make text 11 points or large. Reduce the clutter. Compress information into icons wherever appropriate. Complement or frame contents with white space. Include card style designs patterns to show actionable content easily. Ensure that all devices can support content. Keep page descriptions short for bookmarks. Use user prefer to use their phones in portrait mode, so make sure your design is for limited width. Secondly, simplify the navigation. Users might not complete a task all at once. Make sure they don't get lost easily. Also, most users use one hand and sometimes fingertips are larger than others. Aim for easy to use and self evident navigation. Consider using a progressive disclosure scheme. Create a 30 by 30 pixel or a 7 by 10 buttons and tabs. Use full screen navigation menus with a minimum amount of menu labels. Use clear menu labeling, including tabs, icons, and graphics. Prioritize the most used items at the top of the screen. Consider how far users can comfortably reach. Give shortcut access to features. Don't mix navigation patterns. Clearly show the links. indicate when the user has activated them. Allow one primary action per screen. Thirdly, restrict user input. Users become frustrated when they have to continuously tap buttons. So, design to offer maximum effort for minimum interaction effort. Keep URLs short, pre-fill or minimize data requirements in forms. Include alternative input mechanism, for example, voice control mechanisms. Allow permanent sign-ins. Allow minimal one-direction scrolling. Retain data in case the connection fails. Offer obvious search features, for example, magnifying glass. Use skeletal screens to reassure that the system is executing background actions. Fourthly, to ensure continuity and consistency, let the users continue where they left off so that they can switch easily between mobiles and desktops. Keep content consistent between screens. If you design separate versions, don't compromise user trust with unsuitable changes. Maintain continuity. Let users track orders, etc., just as easily on mobiles. If you design separate versions, let users switch from mobile to desktop formats freely. With this, we come to an end to this edition of All Things Lean. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment in the comment section on what you'd like to hear more. Until next time, this is your host, Madhulika Rajrahan, signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead.